I'm working on 8163B. To confirm that I have a wiring problem and not a battery problem, I put my jumper box on here. And the battery has 12.6 volts in it. Never shows up right on the screen for some reason with the LED, but if I hit the key, got nothing. Put that to on, I still got nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this hood off and we're gonna check out those battery wires and see how crappy they are. Clean them up and see what we got. Well, I got the hood off and I guarantee that this is the problem right here. This stupid junk aftermarket big box store battery terminal. These things are crap. Total crap. They last a couple of years and they rust out like this. They're just junk, total junk. Let's see. Yeah, look at that wire, man. You think that that wire was having any electricity conducted through it? I don't. Well, let's clean it up and put it back together, and it might last another couple of years. Oh man, I'd love to get some wires with these kind of terminals, but for now I'm just going to clean this up and we'll put it back together and see what happens. All right, I'm going to try the old trick of dipping it in baking soda and water. See how that works. Took a little water bottle and cut the bottom off. It's not really like a lot of battery acid junk, it's just like rusty junk, you know. Let's see. Cool. I'm going to get a wire brush and we'll just brush off the rest of it here. Let that sit in there if I can. And I'll go get the wire brush. See, I'll just wipe this down. That's pretty clean. Took about no effort. Okay. And this thing here, I'm gonna just brush. I can't do it on camera, but I'll brush those wires, see what we can do. All right, it ain't perfect. I'm not gonna get it to be shiny copper again, I'll tell you that much, but it's way better than it was. All right, I got it bolted back together. Let's see what happens now. Oh, it works. Of course, I have it in gear, so start driving at me, but it's all it needed. A little cleanup. And put the hood back on and we'll cut some grass. All right, so let's see if it will fire up now. I got the hood back on. Let's check it out. Turn the choke on. That could help. There we go. Our business. Choke cable's messed up, so I got to go back here and push it. Fall's coming. I got a little fire going tonight. Got the 8163B fixed. Next up is going to be some giant vac action, man. We got tons of leaves coming down, so stay tuned. And next weekend we got CAMA, Connecticut Antique Machinery Association show, and the weekend after that we got Zagri Farm show. So I have a lot of fun things to do this fall. Stay tuned, guys, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps us out a little bit. And like and comment. Thanks a lot.